Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make your Windows File Explorer transparent. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. On right side you can able to see the option download options. Click on the zip file and download it. After getting download done, click on show in folders. Right click on the system transparency file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the system transparency.exe file and select copy it. After copying it, you have to paste this file in the system startup so that every time you start the computer, it can automatically start working. In order to add in system startup, you just need to close off here, go to search menu and type start. You just need to select in here folders and you will be get start menu. Click on it and now double click on the programs folder and now search for startup folder. Double click on it and now paste in here. Select continue and after pasting the system transparency.exe, you just need to double click on it. After double click on it, it will be loads up. Wait for it. After getting loading done, you just need to select the documents over here on left and now you will be see system transparency.ini. You just need to double click on it and change the trans to 230 and in Explorer change 0 to 1 and after that select file and select save and after doing this close it off here. Now you just need to click on this arrow icon over here and right click on the system transparency and select setup and info. Now in here you just need to type 230 and select affect all Explorer windows and select OK. And after doing this, as you can able to see the beauty of the file explorer. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.